Hello students, so this is your next video on HCF and LCM. I have already explained you how to find out the HCF or LCM of two or more than two numbers by prime factorization method also and by division method also. I hope you all have understood also. So have you all watched the yesterday's video? Have you all learned something from that? I want your reaction, students. So students, thank you. Now I am going to start the video of today. In today's video, I am going to start exercise 2E. We have already started this exercise. I have given questions also from this exercise. Now I am going to solve some questions based on HCF and LCM. And I am going to solve question number 12 first, right? So question number 12 says that find the HCF and LCM of 693 and 1078. Do you find these numbers big? काफ़ी बड़े नंबर है ना? So I thought that it will be difficult for you for the first time to solve the LCM or HCF. So I started to do it by my own and explain it to you. So I am going to start the question. तो सबसे पहले आपको जब भी HCF और LCM दोनों दिया जाए तो टू मेक इट मोर कन्वीनियंट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, पहले आप HCF निकालिए. फर्स्टली you have to find out the HCF of the numbers. So I am going to use division method because I find it more convenient, right? So 693 ones are 693. 17 minus 9 is, here it will be 385. Now again 693. As I have explained you, remainder will become divisor and this divisor will become the dividend. Now again it will go by 1, 385, right students? So it will be 308 because 13 minus 5, 8, 8 minus 8 is 0, 6 minus 3 is 3. Now this 385 is again going to become the dividend, right? And the remainder will become the divisor. Now 308 ones are 308. What we got over here? I am going to subtract it. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 7 minus 0 7, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now the 77 will become the divisor and 308 will become the dividend. Now 77, in table of 77, let me check. 77 fours are 308, right? So 77 fours are 308. Now we have got 0 as the remainder. So now our HCF is complete. So what is the HCF of 693 and 1078? The HCF is 77. Now I am going to find out the LCM of these numbers, these two numbers. So please pay attention. So students, now I am going to solve the LCM of these two numbers, 693, 1078. Now to find out the LCM, जो मैंने आपसे पहले कहा था कि HCF आप पहले निकाल लीजिए, उससे क्या होगा, आपको LCM निकालने में काफ़ी आसानी होगी. It will be easier for you to find out the LCM. Now we all know that 77 was the HCF. तो 77 इस नंबर से भी divisible है and 77 is divisible by this number also. So we will firstly start the LCM by 77 only. Now 77 9s are 9 7s are 63, 9 7s are 63. So 77 9s are 693. Now 77 1s are and it will be 77 4s are. So 77 14s are 1078. Now 9 and 14 we got the smaller numbers. Now it is very easy to proceed further. 3 3s are 9, 3 14s are, 3 1s are, then again 14, 2 7s are, then 7 1s are. We have got 1 1 at the end. Now what is the LCM of these two numbers? The LCM will be 77 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now I am going to solve this. 77 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 14. So 77 9s are 93. 619 multiplied by 14. What will be the answer, students? So when we will multiply 693 by 14, we are going to get 9,702. Right, students? This is the LCM of these two numbers. Now I am going to solve question number 15. In that also we have to find out HCF and LCM both. So please pay attention, students. So students, now I am going to solve question number 15. यहाँ पे भी जो मुझे दो numbers दिखाई दे, I found them huge and I found that it might be difficult. आप लोगों के लिए difficult हो सकता है. So I am going to solve it. So 2,923 and 3,239. So as per the information I have provided, पहले हम लोगों को क्या करना है? Firstly, we are going to find out the HCF of these two numbers. So to find out the HCF, I am going to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So 2,923 ones are 2,923. Now 9 minus 3 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, 12 minus 9 3. Here it will be 0. So 316 we have got as the remainder. Now this is going to become the divisor and this is going to become the dividend. Right, students? Now 2,923 is the dividend. Now 316 nines are 316 nines are, it will be 9 6 are 54, then 9 ones are 9 and plus 5 it will be 14. So here it will be 2,844. Now I am going to subtract it for you. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Here it will be 11 minus 4. So it will be 7. Here it will be 0. Now 79 is going to be divided by 316. Right, students? Now 79 4s are 4 9s are 36, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 3 316. So 79 4s are 316. Now we have got 0 as the remainder. Right, student? So now what is the HCF of these two numbers? The HCF is 79. Now we will proceed to find out the LCM of these two numbers. So students, we have already find out the HCF of these two numbers, 2,923 and 3,239, and the HCF was 79. Okay students, as I told you, जब हमको HCF मिल जाता है तो we know that 79 is completely divisible by this number also and by this number also. So what do? I used to divide in rough. So I have divided it. तो 79 को जब हम 2,923 से डिवाइड करेंगे, so what we will get? We will get 37. तो 79 37 are 2,923. Now 79 41 are 3,239. Now as you can see that 37 is a prime number, 41 is also a prime number. So now we are going to multiply, because this is your final LCM. 79 into 37 multiplied by 41. Right, students? So once we will multiply, to save your time, I have already multiplied it. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 119,843. That is 11,09,843. Okay, students. Now I am going to solve the questions which I have solved in this video. These are your classwork. You have to do in your classwork copy. Now I am going to solve one question that is from the previous exercise, exercise 2D. वो आपका last question रह गया था. It is very easy, but I am going to solve it for you. So please pay attention, students. So students, now I am going to solve the last question of exercise 2D. Sorry, students. So I am going to solve the last question of exercise 2D. ये आपका क्वेश्चन रह गया था. You have to find the HCF of तो पहला ऑप्शन है आपका 2 प्राइम नंबर्स. आपको 2 प्राइम नंबर्स का क्या निकालना है? HCF निकालना है. You have to find out the HCF of 2 प्राइम नंबर्स. ये प्राइम नंबर कोई भी नंबर हो सकते हैं. इट्स अप टू यू, आप कौन सा प्राइम नंबर सेलेक्ट करते हैं. सो वी ऑल नो दैट द प्राइम नंबर्स हैव द कॉमन फैक्टर 1 और वो खुद के टेबल में आते हैं या तो वो 1 में आते हैं, दैट मीन्स इसका HCF हमारा 1 ही आएगा. पर जस्ट टू चेक आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द HCF ऑफ 7 एंड 11. बोथ आर प्राइम नंबर्स, दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. तो मैं इसको आपको आपके सामने चेक करके बता रही हूँ. सो 7 ones are 7. We have got 4 as the remainder. 4 ones are 4. Now again 3 ones are 3. Now here we have got 1. 1 threes are 3. Right, students? So what we have got over here? We have got 1. So the HCF of any 2 prime numbers or any 3 prime numbers or more than 3 prime numbers, you will always get 1. Now I am going to solve the second option. So please pay attention, students. So students, now we have to find out the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers. So it is not mentioned over there कि ये जो consecutive numbers हैं whether they should be prime, whether they should be odd or whether they should be even. तो मैं अपनी मर्जी के कोई 2 नंबर ले रही हूँ. You can also take 2 numbers of your choice. So I am taking 14 and 16. तो मैं इन दोनों का HCF निकालने जा रही हूँ. 14 ones are 14. Now 2 sevens are 14. What was the HCF? The HCF is 2. Right, students? तो इन दोनों का HCF क्या हुआ? 2 हुआ. Now I am going to solve. The third option, we have to find out the HCF of 2 co-primes. So please pay attention, students. So students, now we have to take 2 co-prime numbers and we have to find out the HCF. And we all know that what are co-prime numbers. The co-prime numbers are the numbers which do not have any number apart from 1 as their HCF. यानी कि उनका HCF सिर्फ 1 होता है. ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि that co-prime numbers should be prime number. ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो prime number ही हो. They can be even, odd. बस the only condition is that उन दोनों का जो highest common factor है that should be 1. So I am taking the example as 36 and 7. इन दोनों का कॉमन जो है the common factor that is 1 only, right? इसके अलावा कोई भी common factor नहीं है. तो we all know that कि जब हम लोग HCF निकालेंगे तो we will find only 1 as the answer. But then also I am proceeding it for you. So the answer will be 1. क्या आया हमारा HCF? We have got 1 as the HCF. Right, students? Now the last option is 2 and an even number. यानी हमें 2 का और एक even number का दोनों का क्या निकालना है? HCF निकालना है. तो even number हम लोग अपनी मर्जी से ले सकते हैं. तो आई एम टेकिंग 2 and 8. तो जब 2 और 8 का आप HCF निकालते हैं तो यू विल फाइंड व्हाट? 2 as the HCF. जब आप 2 के साथ किसी भी even number का HCF निकालेंगे you will find the answer 2 only. हर केस में आपका आंसर 2 ही आएगा. Now I am going to end this video, students. The questions which I have explained in this video are your classwork. और जिन questions पे tick mark होगा वो homework होगा. So it might be a possibility कि कभी आपके पास homework ना जाए. तो that means you have to do only classwork at that day. So I think you all have understood. So thank you, students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.